If you are wondering if you can use a power adapter for your OPPO Reno 15 Pro that is not made by OPPO, then the answer is yes. Ideally, instead of using OPPO, you can use Realme or OnePlus because their power adapters are using pretty much the same technology, which is the Super VOOC technology, which is going to provide the fastest charging speed for your OPPO Reno 15 Pro, generally speaking. But if you don't want to get OPPO, OnePlus or Realme power adapter, you can get pretty much any other brand. I still recommend you using a well-known brand, so you can get, for example, a Xiaomi power adapter or maybe like a Samsung, Motorola, and so on and so forth. However, keep in mind that if you use a power adapter that has, for example, PPS technology or PD technology, then you will not be able to provide full 80 watts for the battery while charging. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.